gets kind of exhausting. Just having people be like, you're so pretty.
If you know me, you'll know how every time I see one of these anywhere, I have a meltdown. I start to cry. And I'm trying to avoid any sort of contact with my eyes with this thing, but it's so bright and yellow. I can't look.
I am going to remind you in advance that I'm very sorry and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck what you think. Look the fuck out of here.
He remains the only human being, as far as I'm aware, who's ever made Gordon Ramsay cry.
No, I didn't make Gordon Ramsay cry. He made himself cry. That was his choice to cry.
And is that a socialist or progressive perspective?
No. Why shouldn't you put a toaster in a bathtub full of water?
Because your toast would get soggy.
Y'all hear that?
So say it with me. Si se puede. The future is ours. Thank you.
Give me some sugar, baby.
No, not again.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! We killed him. Oh well.
You know what? I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
So what's your sentence for her?
Electric chair.
Now fuck off, Guy, Gus, Jim, Bill, whatever your fucking name is. Your name's gonna be dead if you toast this chicken. Don't go near my chicken, you understand? And don't even go there.
Say hi to Fatty. Hi, Fatty.
But it is going to bother you because you're human, and I was human. I am human still. But I was just referring to myself in the past. Not that I was not human.
I will swear, trust me.
Well, that's why you're on the naughty list, because you're being naughty right now. So you're gonna be on the naughty list if you keep talking like that.
No, because Father Christmas has not been very nice to me.
Because you're being naughty, so you're on the naughty list.
No, I'm not. I'm on the good list, actually.
You're not, because you ain't being good.
I am on the good list. If you keep saying that word again and again and again, I'm not on naughty list.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
The peas are touching the potatoes. Oh, that's better.
You slapped me, you monkey!
Marry me.
How can I only have 4 friends? And one of them's my mom.
This guy moaned at least this loud. Oh!
Get back here! Get on my back!
No.
I said, get on my back!
Shampoos from the hotel, so I took some things too. Then some bigger things. I like filling. It makes my hair go fast.
You know, one of the crazy things when you do these live Q&As is some of them are very silly. So we got one. Mark, are the allegations true that you are secretly a lizard? I'm gonna have to go with no on that. I am not a lizard. But you know, keep the high quality comments coming in, please. This is surely on track to be a great live Q&A if we continue getting stuff at that level of quality.
Shut up, you ugly.
Oh, no. Oh, well, thank you for showing people that I'm not an evil bitch.
Yeah.
No,
You can be from time to time. I mean,
I don't think I'm an evil bitch. I think I have, like...
I think you're an evil bitch on like the tip of the iceberg, and then everything else is like.
Oh my god.
Very...
I don't want to cry. But no, thank you. Hey, sorry I yelled. Oh no.
I forbid you to take another step down these stairs. Okay.
Because ecosystems are very
Now today we had a big contrast in temperature across the UK, just 12 degrees over coastal parts of eastern England with cloudy skies, but in the sunshine in northwest Wales at RAF Mona, just up the road from Llanfair Pwllgwyn, Gellgogera Quindrobwll, Llantysilio Gogogoch, the temperature got to 21 Celsius, that's 70 in Fahrenheit.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Do you sew? I forget.
Yes, I do.
Did you sew that?
No.
I can be your partner for the next race.
Sorry, Sue Ellen. It's a brother and sister race. Maybe there's a contest for lonely children after this. It's only children, DW. A lonely child is what you're gonna be when I sell you.
Racism, let's do that shit, huh? Come on, if you're racist and you know it, clap your hands. What the fuck?